Welcome to our Psychic Intuitive Development Training Series. Be sure to watch the whole video where we answer the question, where does intuition come from?
This series is an introduction to our psychic development courses.
Make sure that you catch all the videos in this series in the link below for all the juicy psychic intuitive development tips.
Wherever you are in your journey, we are here to help.
And if you're just getting to know us,
I'm Heather.
And I'm David.
From ZenRoseGarden.com.
Home of our Intuitive Awakening community and Zen Ed Academy.
As you come on, let us know where you are watching from.
And if you have any questions as we go, drop them in the comments.
So where does intuition come from?
Where does it come from? Where does it go?
To define intuition is a slippery slope because it means so many different things to so many people. But in a very primitive way, it is your early warning system.
So here is how it works. Intuition is a combination of primal instinct, subconscious processing, and conscious programming. Your mind is constantly taking in and analyzing information rapidly at a subconscious level. Your subconscious groups all of that information into shortcut patterns and stores them in long-term memory until triggered. When it is needed, that catalog becomes activated by that early warning system.
Yeah, so this early warning system is based on a complex database of information that lives in your brain, which never stops processing and storing information and never stops comparing current experience to past experience. That complex database built from that subconscious processing of the world around you and information you learn, conscious programming, becomes your intuition. Whew. Knowing without knowing how you know.
You know? Basically, your subconscious has you on a need-to-know basis. It stores all the details and in the moment just gives you a simple impulse, aka psychic intuitive hit, based on a complex set of variables that you probably wouldn't be able to process in the moment even if it did give it to you.
No.
So that's it in a nutshell, where intuition comes from. Don't forget to catch all the videos in this series using the link below to get a better understanding of your psychic intuition.
In the next episode, we're going to talk about some common problems with intuition.
If you've gotten something valuable today and you want more, you might be interested in our free Intuitive Awakening community, where we specialize in helping awakening empaths, intuitives, and psychics step deeper into their confidence and clarity.
If you're ready to level up beyond that, you can check out our metaphysical school and community, Zen Ed Academy.
Check out the links in the description and see if it resonates for you. Since you've watched this far, check out the goodies we've got for you. There's a link in the description down below for all that if you like this video.
Hit the like button.
And if you want to see more videos like this,
be sure to subscribe.
And spank the naughty bell to turn notifications on.
So you're the first to know
when we drop a new video.
Or go live.
And we know that time is a valuable and precious tool and resource. The fact that you guys have spent that time with us, we honor and appreciate that. But more importantly, that you are here to level up your life, your mind, and your skills and take everything to a whole new level. We honor and appreciate that even more. Thank you. If you want more, be sure to binge on some more of our other videos out here in this space-time continuum. Find the link and click it. You might unlock the space-time Pandora's box or something. I don't know. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
See you in the next video.